Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform, ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their real life, day-to-day lives atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board classes first, and the subject is mathematics and the lesson name is money. Money is the lesson which tells about the counting the value of currency and coins, counting the money's calculation and also the addition. The innovation idea used in this lesson money is called question bank. Question bank is the type of a revision based innovation idea which helps the students, which covers the students to know about the entire concept covered in the lesson. So once after completing the lesson, we are making the students to revise and make them to understand the entire concept covered in this lesson is the main objective of this innovation idea called question bank. For doing this question bank, we are going to make the students into different groups. If there is a class of 25 students, and we are going to make the students split into 3 or 4 equal groups, and each group will be having a team leader. So these teams will be allocated, and once after completing this lesson, we are going to split this lesson into 4 or 3 equal halves as per the teams count. If there are 3 teams, the lesson is divided into 3. If there are 4 teams, the lesson is divided into 4. So now we are going to make the students to sit in their respective team, and the lessons are divided into the different numbers, and it was given to the students group. Each group will be having at least 3 to 4 students. So each student should take one heading from that given part of the lesson, and every student should read that topic thoroughly. Their given topic is to be covered thoroughly, and the students have to create a question from their topic. For an example, there's a group 1 is there. The group 1 is taking the first half of the lesson. The group 1 have to split the small topics and subdivisions, and they have to split within their team, and they have to read the topics thoroughly, and they have to create the questions from that their read topic. If the student has read one topic, the student should create a question from the topic which he read. So likewise, the teams will be reading the topics and they will be creating a questions, and the team leader will combine all that questions into a consolidator. The main work of this leader is to check whether the question is repetitive or either the question is overlapping or the different questions saying the same meaning. Likewise, they have to eliminate the repeated question, and they have to consolidate it into a stepwise manner, like first half, second half, third half. They have to consolidate into a single question bank for that entire lesson. So likewise, we have combined this question bank for the lesson money, and this question bank will be given to the teacher. The teacher's role is, as the teachers, we will be receiving that question bank, and the question bank will be discussed with the entire class. Why? Because the first team will be taking the first half of the lesson, and the last team will be taking the last half of the lesson. So they won't have a knowledge about what are the other topics which has been discussed, what are the questions which has been created from the topic. So once after collecting this question back, when we are revising this questions with the students, every student will came to know what is the question is, and the team which given that question will obviously know the answer, and they will be telling the answer for the question, so that the other students can also understand what is the question is, what will be the answer is. So likewise, making the students connecting with the lesson through the question bank, make them to thoroughly and revise the entire concept. So these questions can be sort of like you are giving 10 rupee. For an example, let's take an example. The question is like a riddle or a type of a questions, pure question based. So if you are giving 10 rupee to the shopkeeper and you are buying a pencil and stationery for 7 rupee. So how much you will be returned as a balance? So the students will be calculating in their mind 10 rupees given minus 7, because 7 rupee was bought for stationery, and there will be 3 rupees as the balance. So he will be receiving 3 rupees as the balance. Likewise, the questions and the riddles which has been created and which has been discussing will be connect the students with their real life atmosphere, and it makes the students to understand the concept thoroughly. So this is the innovation idea called question bank used in this lesson, money. So more about these different types of innovation ideas using in lessons, you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.